Microwave versus fridge bacteria test. So I swabbed my fridge handle where everyone touches, then spread that on an agar plate, then swabbed the microwave where everyone touches, then spread that on an agar plate, then threw those samples in the incubator for a couple days, and here was the result on the microwave. Whoa! I rate this a 6.24 out of 10. This one's honestly satisfying to look at. And here's the fridge. Sheesh! I rate this a 6.67 out of 10. Definitely less satisfying to look at. Those colonies spread the fuck out. So the higher score definitely goes to the fridge. I definitely go on my phone after using the fridge or microwave, so I'll kill the germs on my phone with my cleanse spray.